is Lucy Daxbachar. I am the author of the book, Excellence at the Workplace. This is a front row piece of work which places us at the heart of high and very fast productivity at the workplace, excellence in the way we relate with people, excellence in the way we lead people, excellence in which we deliver, in the way we deliver results for organizations, excellence in which we are able, excellence in the workplace, at a place in which we are able to exhibit our God-given talents at the highest level with the utmost quality. Excellence at the workplace is a piece of work that will excavate and bring out the best that is in each of us, the best that God has placed in each of us. Coming from a rural village in Katakwi district in eastern Uganda, I have walked through adversity, but I've also walked through the red carpets because the spirit of excellence brought me to an oasis of great opportunities, great attainment of dreams, and today I'm sharing with you this piece of work, which should help organizations, help individuals to become more productive at workplace, to become more efficient at workplace, to become more influential at the workplace, and also to lead teams in a manner in which they can produce with utmost results and benefits to both the worker and the enterprise. Excellence at the workplace also is founded on the foundation of legislation, of policies, institutions, mechanisms, and processes related to labor. And at the heart of my teachings is the International Labor Standards of the United Nations Labour Organization as well, because a happy worker, a protected worker, will produce the best results and will excel in the delivery of results at the workplace in which he has been assigned. Here, I'm happy that you have come today to join me in this platform to really walk the journey with me to become the excellent you at your workplace, the best performing you at your workplace. And may God enlighten you, empower you to bring out the best in you, first by documenting it. And I would like to applaud the work of the Action Wealth Publishing and also the work of our coaches, Joy Kwagala, Loi Kwagala, and then also Mr. Semaganda, Geoffrey. These are two coaches who have been so instrumental in bringing out the best in us with the Mind Your Image program. Miss Loi is available all the time for us, has been available for us, and will also be available to you so that you can as well deliver on such an instrumental piece of writing like I have delivered with the help of our senior coaches, Loi and Geoffrey. You can reach me at lucydaxbachar@yahoo.com, and we shall be able to exchange ideas, build upon what you have, which you can document, but also interact in a process, and then we'll be able to bring the best out of you, documented, but also packaged in a training program. I will be meeting you at the training program that I have packaged, and we will be able to grow together and excel together. I thank you.